Now I'm going to show you how you put the lower part of the coat together.
Now we can also attach the lining of the lower coat, and again we're going to have one of those circular pieces, and you need to leave a gap in one of your side seams so that we can turn the coat inside out through that gap. And now we've got the back still to go in to the back shell, and I pin that here, and then we're going to sew the whole lot together, and exactly like the top we created the big circle. Now move over to the sewing machine, sew it all together into a seam allowance. If you have got those quick side pockets, obviously you have to go around the pocket. You go up, go around the pocket, and then follow the seam on. Have to put the gather threads in. If you're pleating, obviously you have to pleat. But for the lining, regardless of what you choose to do, you should pleat your lining. That makes it easier because you then know how much you need to gather the shell fabric. It's much easier. So there's a pleat in the front, there's a pleat in the back, and we again, because it's a box pleat, we want to sew down about 1 centimeter for those. Now we're going to put in our gather threads. So you want to start about 2 or 2.5 centimeters of either side of the snip that you've got. That indicates where the gathers or the pleats have to be. So first of all, sew 1 centimeter down each one of the box pleats, and then sew foot width to the edge of the fabric with a very large stitch length, the longest actually that you've got on your machine, and you'll just go over. And then you do another line right next to that, and that is foot width again. Now make sure that you have got quite long threads hanging in the beginning and the end of your sewing.